So I'm here with a new question. Let's get started on the question. Niche SaaS. SaaS means software as a service. Google Ads campaign need advice. Okay. I'm running a pretty niche SaaS software as a service and just launched my first Google Ads campaign yesterday. Completely newbie to the platform. Congratulations that you started with Google Ads. I conducted keyword research and identified 36 highly relevant keywords. Okay, all set to exact match. Very good, because you wanted to ensure rightly targeting people are coming. So I'm just adding this. Okay, these keywords have relatively low search volume, understood, because you are targeting on exact match, ranging from a few hundred to around 1000 monthly searches at best. Okay, I used Google Keyword Planner combined with Claude to brainstorm ideas, reviewing roughly 1300 keywords total. Okay, my budget is quite limited at $20 per day. Okay, yeah, it's limited. $20 is limited. After a day and a half of running the campaign, here are my stats. Impressions 80, 4 clicks, average CTR, click-through rate 5%, average CPC $1. I realized this data sample is too small to draw meaningful conclusions. Yeah, exactly, which is exactly my problem. I'm struggling to understand how to increase impressions and clicks without raising my budget. Okay, so is increasing my budget the only viable way to get more impressions? Did I approach keyword research correctly? Should I be doing something additional? It feels almost too straightforward, and I'm wondering if this basic approach will actually differentiate me from competitors. Should I try broad match instead? I feel like it will burn money and will give me non-relevant keywords, but I might be wrong. Okay, so so let me think on this. Okay, so the data is too small. 4 clicks is nothing if you have run for a day and a half and your CTR is good. Yet to evaluate your quality score, yet to evaluate on the keywords you have clicked and the keywords which just got impressions. Maybe your account structure have an issue or not, because you did not discuss regarding the account structure. By account structure, I means how many ads as per the keywords, and the location, timing. All of these plays a crucial role as well. So, is increasing my budget the only viable way to get more impressions? Even your budget $20 was not reached. So I think I will even recommend, in case if your budget is $20 a day, I recommend you to run for 100 to 200 a day for some days to get the data. The Google needs data, but for data you need conversion tracking to be accurate. Is your conversion tracking accurate and fine? First of all, look around on this. Otherwise, all of your efforts will be wasted. After this, closely monitor your CTR and your quality score. Did it fluctuate or not? Also, I think at the start your CPC also need to be increased, because we need to get more options, we need to get more data. If I look around on this, every CPC $1, 4 clicks means just $4 have been used. So your whole budget is not yet utilized. So we need to utilize. I think that running for 100 200 day will give you some data, and then we can discuss around. We will look around on search terms as well to see how much we can improve. And did I approach keyword research correctly? I'm not sure what you looked around, but seems from the information you have that you have extracted exact match keyword 36 high elements. I think that will be fine. That does not have an issue. But your tracking, your analytics needs a crucial role. Your AI ads copy needs a role, because you created with the Claude AI. So I'm not sure what looked around. Have you compared it with the competitors? Your ad copy, your offer, your landing page versus those. So I think I will even recommend to install heat map to see where users are landing and what people are looking. Should I try broad match instead? I feel like it will burn money. Yeah, with even with smart settings, no. I think that we can go with phrase match for now and get more traffic and see what we are going to. So it's too early to go with the broad match, but rather go with a phrase match to see and get some traffic, increase your budget, see around some analytics, and then we can discuss. So I hope this answers your questions and query. But if anyone needs a professional with Google Ads audit, setup, or management, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We offer full-fledged digital marketing services, including Google Ads management, SEO, and other services. So if you want to hire us, you are more than welcome to hire us, and we would love to work with you. Thank you for watching. Take care, and bye-bye.